Hey Paris. What's happening? What is happening, you all? Blessed Saturday. Blessed Saturday from my Jamaican home to wherever you are. Good afternoon, good evening, and most of all, you know, I wish it for be good night when Debbie Deb's little vlog or video reaches to you, where you can cock up under your foot, in your bed, cock up your foot in your bed and watch Debbie Deb's. Oh my God, it's been a long time, but I'm here and I'm alive, I'm good, I am okay, and I hope you're all okay wherever you are too. And first, before me get into the little video in a full gear, I want to say to you all, thank you for such an overwhelming support for my family and myself, for us to get well. We appreciate the love. We appreciate the support. We also appreciate your prayers. Thank you so much. It was so overwhelming when camera girl said, Mom, you know, people are really clicking on the video and people are saying, you know, we wish you well, Debbie. And when I got in the comment section, it was such a joy. It was such a joy to me, Paris, to know that even though it was on the Debbie Deb strain, so many people, you know, actually clicked on to wish me well. But I am okay, I am good, we are better. Jer is not back 100%, but he's there. Camera girl is back, and to be honest, I wasn't like in bed or anything, and actually I did not catch the kids' virus. I did not catch their virus. Jer got a virus and camera girl seemed like she catch it, but I did not catch. The one I catch wasn't from them, because I was here, because actually Jer was really sick. It was like today would have been 15 days, yes, almost 2 weeks of little hiccups. I call them life hiccups, and as I go along on this video, I'll tell you why I say it's life hiccups. It was just some little things, you know, little things going around here and there, and picking up hoop here, little this, little that here. So they were not like probably major, but you know, hiccup, little there. But Jer was the most one. Jer was really sick. He was really sick. He got this virus, it seems, at work, and he started coughing, and then from coughing, and it seemed like he had a fever. But can I tell you, Pari, when boy pick me a husband sick, you see the man, them are the hardest thing for deal with when them sick. They are so stubborn, them no want to take medicine. And can I tell you, so Jerry started coughing. He came from work Friday evening, he came home late and he started coughing, you know, Saturday, so he say a regular cough and something, and he was there now, you know, and he has the draining sinus like I do too, so I probably think I'm sinuses. So me and camera girls, me are going to look like the story in the video. That's what the video is all about, the little hiccups story. So me and camera girl, we plan to go out that evening, not the Saturday, the week before last Saturday. So we were there, but Jerry, I see him come out and him say him no fever. I say probably, you know, regular tired and you have coughing and a weekend, you know, nothing around. So we were there, and as the day progresses, I not see him. So I said, no, I'm not even come out from man. So I call him and I look. I say him not feel well and him cough. And as the evening progressive, he started feeling worse. So, you know, he must say, Mommy, go on, man. Because normally he would take us where we want to go and pick us up back. So I say, like how you not feel so well, I'll get a cat. I say, yeah, Mommy, man, go on. But I realize him not even, I say, him going to come back for wear anything. So I said to myself, but if him say me for go on and him now got able to pick me, to take with that, I'm thinking I should not leave. But as Kimmy was going to school, because exams in the year, so Kimmy had to go group study and all of that. So Kimmy had to go to group study and stuff, and it would be Dad and Jerry alone leave here. So I said, no, Sam, I don't think. We put our clothes on and everything. We got ready, dressed and stuff like that. I said, no, I don't think I'm gonna leave. When I leave, I know woman in the yard. So as the night progressed, he got worse. And me say, Mom, I just feel nervous. I feel weak. And actually, when this young man got up to walk, he was like really staggering. So I said, well, this thing is going bad. And he was shivering. The time was so hot and Gerard have on hoodie. And I said, no, what is wrong? So I said, let's go to the doctor because Dad will drive you. So no, Mom, no, I'm going to the doctor. I'm fine. You know, the whole works of it. Anyway, he passed through Saturday night. During the night, early Sunday morning now, they had to call me. We had to get up and go over. He was worse. So, you know what, one girl have to go over, they go pull the sheet them off of the bed and start to spraying down and make him some soup and all of that. He was really sick. He could not go to work. That was a Sunday. And he could not go to work for Monday. He could not go to work. He did not go Tuesday. He was so weak. He never get back himself. He never go to work until Wednesday. You know, so went back out to work and, you know, him still never 100. But him forced and go work. You know, only me hear him say, well, Mom, there are a lot of people that were out too. So that virus was from work. Now, about 2 days after, Camera girl get the virus. But I was on top of it. I was on top of it. So hers never really carry her out much. And then as the virus end, girl sting, you know it go. And all of that. So Camera girl, she did out for all a week. We couldn't do any video much for the channel. I think we had just 2 videos up, and during those videos she was sort of weak and all of that. So during that time, oh, a lot of things were going on, and oh God, I got weak, as I'm saying, everything just up. Dad in have sick too. Oh my God. Then it was last Monday now that I decided, okay, my television, just made us watch my TV, and I watched it, turned it off, and went into my room. Camera girl came up there and said she was gonna, you know, and then she came and said, Mom, the TV not turning on. I said, oh, the TV if it not turn on, I just leave the TV. Well, it wasn't turning on until now it not turn on. So I went out this Monday to pay a bill. And I said, okay, I wanted something in the electrical store. So I went in there. As I went inside the electrical store, Pari, as I'm going to the store, so and I come back out, I feel my throat pan at each. I say, Camera girl, you know, so I pick up a virus in the store. And that was it, Pari. So I did not catch the virus from the kids. You know, I did not catch their virus. And can I tell you, I came home, wasn't there, you know, it's not even an independence message I couldn't come with. And the independence was just so dumb and dreary. I started coughing, this dry cough, and it started to just, you know, aggravate my whole chest area, and it continued on and on, right throughout Tuesday, right throughout Wednesday. I said, no, man. Thursday, I had to go. I was to go on the road. Wednesday, I could not go. Thursday, I decided that I was going to go on the road. Went on the road, but I have to come back off of the road prematurely. And you know when I came back Thursday, I coughed so much. I never know I could have really live out Thursday night. And you know, I woke up Friday and I told myself, say no, you know, too much little hiccups. Too much liquor this, liquor that, and some other little stuff. Some of them more personal than even YouTube, but you want to talk on YouTube. Some other little things, some of them honestly I don't remember. But they're just like little things. So me always call them little life hiccups. And you all know what I'm talking about. You ladies with your family who come my age and little older. I want to know the little hiccups. So it's one like big massive things like death and, you know, house burn down, and never so big. Those are major things. But these are little, we call them hiccups. When them come in a bundle. You know, but the high of it for me was, come there, I said, Jesus, I bought the television not this past Mother's Day, the 2018. I bought it for my Mother's Day present. So I bought that television I treated myself to that television 2018 Mother's Day. So you know me, I said, my God, 1 year warranty on it up. But thinking back, I'm saying no, I think it's on this special warranty. So when I went on the road Thursday, now I went to the store and asked the clerk to check the account. And when she checked it, she realized that I had 4 years warranty on this television. So that was the eye of it for me. So I made the complaint. They have logged it. Somebody I wait for the technician for come. So the eye for me was at least the television was still under warranty. So I could have deal with that. Jerry not bad. I am not bad. Come on, girl is back and all of that. Some other little things that have sick foot, in foot a command and all of that. But the thing is, I got tired. It's about it. Mom, 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 Debbie, Debbie, mom, mom. I had to be here, there, everywhere. You know, as a mom, it's always you. Mom, 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 mom. But you know, I want to say, I just want to say life is just life. I always say on this channel, love, show support. And the most important thing, we got through all those little hiccups by being a stay together family. I make sure we stick together, we stay together. You see what I'm saying? I was brought up in a family, as I said before, that until this day, my biological family, they're all over the place. They never stick to each other and support each other. So I made sure that my family that I built of my own, that I made on my own, I make sure I try to you know, just to let them know that as a family, we stick together. Through thick, we stand together. Through thin, that is how we are going to make it through as family. Okay? As families or as a family. And you all too who are watching me knows that some of these little hiccups, them come all about from time to time. Little things, like 10, 12, 15 of them. And they all need attention. They require attention. You have to deal with them. But the thing is that I am the only one. I had to be attending to everything, including myself. Because at the end of it, me never have nobody to pay attention to me. You see what I'm saying? I had to be making soup for Jer. I had to be making tea and stuff and all of that. You see what I'm saying? I had to be there for camera girl, for dad. And then I had to be there for myself. So me did just get drained out. You see what I'm saying, Pari? So as a family or as families, that's where it comes in. Especially on us as moms. And that's why I think Mother's Day should be every day. Comment, please. You know, but I'm here. I am laughing. I am giving thanks. And let me tell you something. You never know what will happen. I'm here right now on this video. You never know. I may never know before the day is out what can happen. Something good can happen as well as something not so good can happen. So never take life for granted. Never take the people around you that you love for granted. Stay loved, stay blessed. Keep loving yourselves, loving your family. Reach out to each other in times of, you know, in good times, in bad times. Be there for each other. That is how we get over these little life hiccups as a family. They all come in everybody's family. Some people care to share. Some people, they don't care to share. To each is our own. You know, I like to share. I don't even care. I share because it's all my life. Nobody can tell me what to do. You know, and when I share, I realize people get motivated. You know, when you share, it eases the pressure off of you and all of that. But I'm back. I am back, and I'll be back with a bang on both channels. Thank you all for your love. Thank you for your support. Thank you so much. And it doesn't matter what we do right on over here. Never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Stay on top of things. Like how we stay on top of things behind the scenes. Never know, we might have a Sunday dinner vlog for you tomorrow. Just to start things back up. Okay? Love you. Love you. Love you. Love you so much. Thanks for your love. And most of all, your support. Thank you. Thank you.